All right, guys. I couldn't find a video on this, so I'm gonna do it real quick. I was removing the center console on the tank, and I had issues with the screw here just continually spinning. It wouldn't release. So I figured, like, man, this is gonna be hard to get off, but it wasn't. So what happened was the little, let's see here. Yeah, the little screw was tightened too hard. It's supposed to look like this here. You see here, it was over tightened, so it popped loose. So whenever you're taking the screw out here, or any one of these, and it's just continually spinning, don't worry about it. Pull it on up and it'll come on up. All right.